In this video, you will learn how to create groups. Groups are a great tool. They allow you to group agents together so they can function on the same work and break cycle. Additionally, they can easily be added to cover different campaigns, queues, and web chats. To create a group, go to the user's icon on the vertical menu bar located on the left side of your screen and select Groups and Users. To manage group, click on the Groups tab and you will see the number of groups that are currently active. In this case, it's 17. You can also search for groups using the search bar here. So now let's add a new group. We'll click Add here. We need to give our group a name. We'll call this one Demo 2 and we'll click Save. Once we do that, we'll get a notification letting us know that our group was successfully created. At this point, our group is just a name, so we need to add content. So to search for a previously created group, we're going to enter our group name in the search bar here and select it. Once selected, you can see the breaks and agents assigned to this group. In this case, our Demo 2 group is empty and we need to assign agents and configure breaks for this group. To assign agents, we're going to click Add Agents, and we can search for the agents that we want to add to this group using the filter here. So I'm going to add Barb Smith, and I'll click Add to the group. I'm going to add Joe Jones to this group. Click Add to Group. Now that I've added agents to my group, I need to select breaks. Moving to the break section, this number here is going to determine how many agents in this group can take a break at the same time. And so I need to decide, since I have just 2 agents, do I want them to be able to take a break at the same time, or do I want to stagger their breaks? To stagger their breaks, I'm going to enter this number as 1, and that way I always have coverage in this group. So now to add a break, I'm going to click on Add Break. And I need to give my break a name. Let's call this one Lunch. And now I need to set the time window in which this break will be available for my agents. So let's say we can take lunch from noon to 2. I can also set the maximum amount of time allowed for this break. If I want to adjust that either up or down, I can do that by using the minus or plus icons. Billing here, if I select this, this means that this is a company paid break. Comments is going to require my agent to enter a comment before they'll be allowed to take that break. Authorization means that my agents are going to need authorization from a supervisor before they'll be able to take that break. In this case, I'm going to say that they need to add a comment, and then I'm going to save my break. I have the option to view my break history for this group as well by clicking on History. So now that I've configured my group, let's just review one feature that's particularly handy. Imagine that you have this group that is no longer useful and you want to delete the group. When you click on the garbage can next to the group name to delete it, it will let you know you have 2 agents in this group that need to be assigned elsewhere. I can select the new group for these agents here, and then I can click Change and Delete Group, and my group will be deleted and my agents are reassigned to that new group.